What's up, guys? Hope you're having a fantastic day as always. Doing a video today with my 2008 Honda VTX1300C. This thing has been in storage all winter in the shed actually. And I took it out a few weeks ago, but the battery is dead. I actually took the battery out. It's not in it currently, but I have a brand new battery in the box right there and gonna put it in and take it for a spin. Here's the bike, all yellow and chromed out. I can look at it myself if I want. Very nice bike. I don't know, it just gives my garage like a bunch of color when I come out of the door every day. It's like a trophy staring right at me. But anyways, here is the battery. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys here. All right, let's see what's in the box here. And by the way, this battery I bought on Amazon and it was about $45. It's actually a pretty heavy battery. A lot of weight to it. All right, showing you guys the bike a little more. I used to have a Suzuki Boulevard M50, and it's kind of a similar style bike like this, kind of like a muscle cruiser kind of bike, but one big difference that stands out with this bike is this front wheel. I think it's like 21 inch. Oh no, it's a 19 inch, but man, does it look big compared to the other bike's front wheel. And this bike has a single Mustang seat and Vance & Hines exhaust. But basically, one of my screws here is missing, so I guess I just gotta unscrew the other side to get to the battery. All right, so this one has a flat head right here. So just gonna unscrew it. Hopefully this works nice. I don't think this is the original screw, but it's what came with the bike. And we'll take a look under here. It's got this stuff over where the battery goes, so gonna put the battery right in there. Everything on this bike's heavy, man. Even these screws right here, super heavy. Alright, showing you guys what it looks like when you remove that plastic. Battery pops right in there, red and black. This baby is gonna be running in no time. All right, popping the battery in. Here's the red and here's the black. Now comes the tricky part. I gotta put these screws in. All right, battery's in. Now I gotta put that plastic cover and then this thing. I don't even know what the heck this is. Probably the ECU or something, but gonna put that on there now. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Kind of dirty, might wipe it down, might not, but goes somehow like this under these cables. Probably got to do a two-hand thing right there. A little hack for you guys. I don't know if you know this, but I'm super frugal, but I do know little hints how to make things shiny and real nice. I have here a rag that's pretty much got really old motor oil in it. God knows how long this has been saturated in oil, but it's not that saturated, but it does have oil on it. But let me show you how I clean this all up here. Super easy. All that white crap is gonna come off. Look how shiny this middle gets. I feel like I was gonna be an old grumpy man about this and just let it past being dirty under there, but figured I'd clean it up for the video. Look at that, all shiny and like new looking. Old oil, that's all it is. All right, everything's put back. This ECU on top of that plastic plate, and I'm gonna pop the seat on it now and start her up. See how the seat actually goes. I think you gotta push it in. Oh, this is not easy to do when you're holding a camera in your hand, but seat's on. All right. All right, here's the bike outside. Looks really mean. I love it. Got such nice style to it. But here's the ignition. And I'm gonna try to start it up in a minute here. Give this bike a proper here walk around. 1300cc Vance & Hines sounds amazing. You guys will see what I mean in a minute when I start it, but I'll put it camera right here. Cold-blooded bike, so it likes to really warm up before you put the choke back in. It looks awesome, sounds awesome, and I just can't wait to ride